is all about deep glute change. So I've got my aqua belt on, don't have anything else. We're going to do a cross kick. Now, I really love doing exercises where one leg's doing something and the other leg isn't. It's almost like an anchor. Love doing stuff that's asymmetrical. I don't know why. I don't know why I like it personally, but I certainly know why it's important for clients to do it, because this is where we get to pick up weaknesses and strengths. And also, everyday life, functional movement, we often do things with one hand going through the other hand. For example, one leg will go through the other leg. So with this exercise, we're crossing the leg over the midline and kicking it out to the side. Now, a key point here is to encourage that left leg, which I'm holding down, to be as still as possible without it being motionless. It's going to move. It has to move because my whole body's moving. But you don't want this leg kicking too, yeah? So you want that leg to stay motionless or as dead straight as possible. And then you're using the hands to push you in the direction. Now, the head is really important here because it weighs 7 to 8 kilos. So where you put your head will also direct where your legs are going to go, right? So if I drop my head down to this side, my legs will lift up naturally to that side. It's on the top heavy weight. It's like an anchor on top of the surface. So if I bring my head this way, my leg will go that way. If I bring my head this way, my leg will go that way. So indicate which way you want their heads to go, and you want the head to go where the arms are going. Where the arms are going, not where the leg is going. Which often happens when participants, when they're in temporary reception, they're in water and they don't know what's up or down. It's really important that you cue it. Head and arms go the same way. Head and arms go the same way. Now, this is a really good cardio exercise. Great inner thigh exercise. Oh my goodness. And great for the just lower body in general. But my arms are getting a really good workout just pushing and pulling myself over. Now, of course, you would do it with the left leg. Super cool exercise. And I've actually been asked recently about aqua shoes and do they feel weighted or do they weight you down? Well, in an exercise like this, it's perfect. You need a point of reference. So I'm not wearing downwards because there is a little bit of weight on that leg, but it's not affecting my workout in any bad way. I actually quite like it. Yeah, but it also helps me with identifying heel or toe. You want to drive the heel across the body and kick the heel out to the side. Yeah, making sure that the head goes with the arms so people don't look at the foot as it kicks out to the side, which is a very common error. So cool cardio exercise, especially when you get the tempo going, especially using the hands. So palms going this way, palms going that way. And you've got this wave action going over now. It's almost like a figure of 8 in the water with your hands. Love it. Hope you use it in your class. And that's this week's aqua tip. This demonstration is actually an easy one to do. The cross kick from side to side is actually pretty easy to demonstrate. Firstly, it's easy to demonstrate that you're going to keep one leg straight since that's the one you're going to stand on. And then you've got that heel going across and that heel going out to the side. So make sure that you turn your foot outwards as the heel goes over, and then you've got that leg going out to the side so the heel's kicking to the side. Indicate that they should feel that on the inner thigh. Now, with the arms. So, on land, it's much easier to demonstrate the correct way because your head wants to go with the arms. But you do need to tell them not to look at their foot, because a lot of clients will. So they'll go here and then they'll look at where their foot's going. Now the head's going this way, and you might do it, I don't know. But you're looking at your foot and your arm's going that way, and that's going to change their orientation in the water and feel awkward. So remember to cue that the head goes with the arms, with the arms, with the arms. And that's all you have to demonstrate, is how the arms and the head move in the same direction. Show them the splayed fingers so they understand what that really means, and then create that figure of 8 action. So it's here, and then there, and then here, and then there. Of course, if your balance isn't fantastic, I always recommend people to work on their balance. So do as many of those as you can without losing your balance. The reality, you only need to demonstrate 2 or 3 and then indicate what you want them to do with their arms, how the head's going to go with the arms, and how the fingers are open and they're pushing against the water, then you've done a pretty good job. And that's this week's aptitude.